Something that I've been thinking about, and I'm on my way home from work, and I figured I would add this to the beginning of my video. I want to show you something tomorrow, because a lot of people have said to me, well, you know, that's all well and good, but I don't have a metal brake. I don't have access to metal brake. Not sure if I would even know how to do what you're doing. So tomorrow I'm going to show you something different that I've never shown you before. If you don't have a metal brake, there's other ways of doing this. And I'm going to explain that in tomorrow's video. So you know what to do. Ring that bell so you're notified next time I put out a video. Day one. But this thing has been, the seams have been breaking. Look at this. This is what happens if you let your roof go too far. And this one has went too far, like most of the ones that we end up getting to. Look at that. My goodness, that's cool seal. I'm not going to stick to that anymore. It's soaking wet. Look at this. That's a big hole right there. I've been trying to fix it and repair it forever. And now it's time for Drew's Roofing and Home Repair. Or should I say mobile home repair, because that's what we do. Mosquitoes are terrible. We're going to get this thing started, put some strapping on it. If something you want to see, how to repair your mobile home roof or how to put a roof on your mobile home, I hope that we can make videos today to share this experience so that it's something you might be able to do on your own. Stick around. Look at the size of that hole. And they covered it up with that strap. Yeah. How in the world? Oh my, look at the rust. Yeah, look at the rust. Incredible. Keep right on trucking, because we're going to cover it up. It will be no more. I like it. Got one more row to put down through there. Got this side on, all the way down. That's your overhang. I think we got about 2.5 inches on this one. We got one center run to run down through there. We'll start putting on the outside, sub fascia, which is a 2x4, a whole pile of them. All right, finishing that last run, getting screwed down the center. We're gonna take lunch break. It is 12:15. We started at 8 o'clock, 3 of us. We have one run to screw down. Come back after lunch, start putting our 2x4s on, cut our rubber, get it glued down today. Come back tomorrow, make the metal, and put the termination bar on. You can do this, guys. You can do this. It's not that hard to do. Check out my other channel, Scrapping with Grandpa. Find us on YouTube. And by the way, if you need to talk to me about something, you know how to get up with me. I'm easy to find. I actually have a purpose down here, and that's to keep it, that 2x4, sticking past my OSB about a 16th to an 1/8 of an inch while he's drilling, screwing. That's the whole thing. Making sure he's got a straight run. Most 2x4s are not going to be straight when you buy it.
Yeah, right?
They're not straight, guys.
Good luck.
Yeah, good luck with that. You got to work it all the way down through there. Paul will have to knock it in some places.
Yep.
Oh, you left his hammer back there. You might be able to just tap it with your hand. I don't know. Needs to come in right there, though. There you go. Beautiful. Yeah. That's what happened to my battery. That's what happened to my battery.
I don't know, boss.
I don't know. I only hit it. Used it for a hammer twice.
Only twice.
Thought it'd last longer than that.
I hit it hard.
You hit it that hard, boss. Battery just fell in two. These Craftsman's, man, they suck. Craftsman, man. We can cut that off anytime now. Good idea. Ooh, excuse me. No, we've been drinking. We went down and got some drinks. I still got some ice in my cup up there with a Mountain Dew. Fill it. We're doing good. Getting there now. Look at that crap, huh? It looks good. Yep. All right, so we've gotten this far. You've seen that. Now it's time to come down and take our piece of rubber. We need, it's 14'6" from there to there. We want to have plenty of overhang to where we can grab a hold of that and tug on it just a little bit when we put our termination bar on. So we don't have to worry about not having enough overhang. We're going to make these pieces, it's 14'6" up there. We're going to make these things 15'6" or even 16. We have plenty of rubber. That's going to give us 3 pieces. We're only 54 feet long, so we need 56.5 feet, and we have 60. So we're good there. We're going to roll some pieces out, cut them, fold them up, carry them up.
That way. Drag it to you. You know you can't move it right there. Drag some this way.
Huh? Oh.
Okay, move that. Back that way, piece it.
Mark it down here so we know where to pull it to.
fix this. Miss County.
Day 1 in the books. Thanks for watching, guys. See you tomorrow.